India's manufacturing dream. Will the US-China trade reset change everything?
India was finally catching fire, the world's next manufacturing powerhouse. Apple was shifting iPhone production, factories were buzzing, export orders booming. But then, boom, a US-China trade reset threatens to bring all that momentum crashing down. Last week, the US and China stunned the markets with a sudden trade agreement. Trump's tariffs on China slashed overnight from a crippling 145% to just 30%. That's now barely higher than India's 27%, eliminating India's short-term pricing edge. Just a month ago, India was celebrating. Apple indicated it would shift most of its iPhone production to India for US markets. Shilan Shah from Capital Economics said India was well-positioned to replace China, with 40% of exports already overlapping. And Indian manufacturers, they weren't waiting. Export orders just hit a 14-year high, especially in electronics, textiles, and toys. But now, here's the twist. Trump reportedly told Tim Cook directly, "Don't build in India. It's one of the highest tariff nations in the world." That's a heavy blow to India's global pitch, because if Apple pulls back, others might follow. So what now? India still has massive potential. Labor costs are low, infrastructure is improving, global brands want a China alternative, but the playbook needs to change. India must now focus on cutting red tape, slashing tariffs, and building value-added capability fast. India's manufacturing moment isn't over, but the clock's ticking, and the US-China reset just turned it into a race. Subscribe for weekly insights on global business, power shifts, and future economies.